Good morning, students. Now I'm going to start the class. Today we will discuss about the mode and
Morning,
the
ma'am.
medium. Just a minute. Let me just settle this board. Yes, students. Now we will start exercise 3.2. Yes, students. Today we will start exercise 3.2, where we will discuss representative values, mode, and median. Mode, as we have discussed about the average, average means a term which lies between the highest and the lowest term, but it not means it lies exactly, somewhere lies between. So today we will discuss about mode and median of the data. Just suppose we have some observations like 5, 5, 7, 8, 8, 3, 9, 8, 7. We have these observations 5 2 times, 7 2 times, 8 3 times, 3 1 time, and 9 1 time. What is the mode and why we use this concept in real life? Just suppose we have that some data and somebody asks which term is mostly fine, then we use the concept of mode. Then we use the concept of so mode means the observation which is maximum times in that data. So what is the mode? Mode is another form of central tendency, or we can say representative value which occurs most means which value lies most of the time in the data is called mode. So what is median? Median is the term which lies exactly in the mid. Average, it can be anywhere. Just for this is the lowest, this is the highest. Average can be here, 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 anywhere. It not means that exactly between. Anywhere it can be. But in case of median, the term which is exactly, just suppose we are standing in a row. If line is there, I just want who is in the middle one, but before that, just one condition should be there. Before finding the median, the data either must be in ascending order or in the descending order. Data must be either in the ascending order or in the descending order. So for median, it is compulsory to get your data in ascending or descending order. For mode and average, it is not compulsory to get your data in the middle. So what is the definition of mode? Mode is a form of central tendency. Both are the form of central tendency. Or we can say these are the representative values where mode shows the term means observation which shows maximum time in the data, but middle median is that middle term of the data, but before that we have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Students are joining very late. Why you are not joining the class? Don't speak. Don't speak. I will remove you. Those are whose mic is on.
Ma'am, are you going to send this? Ma'am, we have to write this.
Why you are not listening this? I always send you. Why you are not asking this question every time? Every time I always send you this material. Whose mic is on? I'm removing it. Saksham, removing you. You are not sitting in the class properly. I told you to get your mic off. Now, so this is called your here 8 is your this mode. Now we are talking for the median for this data. First, we will arrange it in ascending or descending order. 3, then 5. As many times of it is, then you have to write it. Then you will write 7 2 times, then 8 3 times, and then 9. You can count the number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now see what is median. It is half of the terms above of it, half of the terms below of it. My God, students are joining very late. In this way, I think I can't complete that class. So if I'm leaving 2 terms from here, 2 terms from here, then 2 terms from here, then 2 terms from here. This would be your medium, middle term. Half of the terms this side, half of the terms this side. But sometimes students, maybe you get 2 terms in the middle. Just suppose here odd number of terms are there, like if 5 terms are there, then 2 terms this side, 2 terms this side, third would be your median. But if we are talking about 7 terms, then three times this, 3 terms this side, 3 terms this side, then fourth term would be your median. Like 15 terms I'm talking, then 7 terms this side, 7 terms this side, and middle one 8 term would be your median, जो exactly बीच में हो. लेकिन केस आते हैं अगर हमारे पास इवन नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स हो, लाइक हमारे पास एक टर्म और होती है यहाँ पे. अब हम कैसे करते? इस केस में आपके पास क्या होता? आप मीडियन के लिए क्या करते? दो 3 टर्म्स इधर, 3 इधर, मीन्स एक इधर. आपके पास ये हुई यहाँ पे एक टर्म और थी 7, आपके पास ये 4 4. अब मिडल में 2 टर्म्स आ गई. अब 2 टर्म्स विल नेवर बी द मीडियन, ओनली सिंगल टर्म कैन बी द मीडियन. जब आपके पास बीच में 2 टर्म्स हो, मीन्स इवन नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स होती हैं, तो मीडियन कैसे निकालते हैं? इन दोनों टर्म्स को प्लस करके इसको 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं. तो इट वुड बी 15/2 7.5. इट मीन्स जब हमारे पास ओड नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स होती हैं, then median always belong to the data. बट जब इवन नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स होती है ना, तो आप देखो दोनों टर्म्स को ऐड करके 2 से डिवाइड कर रहे हो, तो 7.5 is not belong to the data. It means median may belong to the data or may not belong to the data. Median always belong to the data if number of terms in the data are odd. But if number of terms in the data are even, then median will never belong to. It can belong to the this if this term is also 7. So then 7 plus 7, 14. 14/2 gives you again 7. That also belong to the data. It means what we are getting, that mode is a term which always belong to the data. Mode एक ऐसा आंसर होगा जो हमेशा डेटा में से होगा. If each term is single time, that there will no mode will be there. So you are going to write the remarks. But the remarks, if in the collection of data, or you can write in data, if each term is single time, या one time भी लिख सकते हो, is one time only, then there will not be any mode. Second, if there are, first you write mode always belong to the data. Mode always belong to the data. Third, median. For median, I am telling, if odd number of terms are there, odd number of observations are there, then median always belong to the data, always belongs to the data. If even number of observation, if there are even number of even number of even number of observations are there, then median may or may not may or may not may or may not belongs to the data. Before finding median, data must be either in ascending order or descending order. No need to write anything. I will send you the pics of these. Just a minute.
Ma'am, this whole chapter we have to do in graph notebook.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Were you yes, yesterday have you attended the class? I think clearly the instructions were there that you have to write you have to do complete in your fair notebook. I don't know why you ask these questions again and again. Clearly the instructions were there that you have to do this complete chapter in your graph notebook. Now we will start exercise based on this. Mode is the term which occurs most, जो maximum number of times आती है, और median जो आपके पास क्या होती है. So what we will write the formula for median and mode. You will write the formula also for median and mode both. You will write that mode. Formula you will write now, mode. The observation means we will write that observation which occurs most. And median, what is the formula? Now I will start exercise and you will see that is n plus 1 by 2 bracket. First you will, n means number of terms, you will add 1 to it, divide by 2. Here you will write th observation. I will tell you what is this. When n is odd, write one formula more, but I will tell you later about this. This is n by 2. Just suppose I'm just telling with this an example. Just suppose I am having 5 terms like 1, 5, 7, 8, and 9. I have taken in ascending order. 7 is your middle term, to this side, to this side. 7 is your middle term. So it means this is your median. So how many total terms are there? 5. See the formula. These are 5 terms. So easily we can say 2 terms this side, 2 terms. Just put we have 99 terms, 111 terms, as many terms we can. So we will use this formula. See directly. First you arrange the data in ascending or descending order. N means total number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 1 by 2. It means 5 plus 1, 6, 6 by 2. Third means third term would be your median. So you can see 1, 2, 3. Third term is your median. 7 is your median. But just suppose I have one more term here, this one. Then median would be average of middle terms. 2 terms this side, 2 terms this side. Now in the middle we have 2 terms. So what would be your median? We will add them and we will find the median. But how? It means we are adding fourth and fifth term. So, sorry, third and fourth term. We are adding third and fourth term by 2. So it means 7 plus 8 by 2, 15 by 2, 7.5. Now, how we will write third? Total terms, how many total terms are there? 6. So what the formula will become? So 6 means n by 2 means 6 by 2, 3. It means what the formula would be? N by 2 observation plus next fourth. It means n by 2 plus 1. Here we have written this complete, but here we are writing just down to n. Means 3 plus 1. Observation. We will add them and we will divide by 2. So it means we are adding third plus fourth means 2 middle terms divided by 2 gives you the median when n is odd, means n is odd number of terms, odd number of observations. Here we will write when n is even number of observations. Based on even number of observations, we will do one extra question. But in exercise 3.2, no question is there, but just true false are there. I'm telling you that only first. So see the true false first. Fifth, you will do in book. So at last answer is wrong, you have to correct it. Tell whether the statement is true or false. Mode always one of the data. One of the number in the data, answer would be true. The mean is one of the data in a mean is one of the numbers in a data. No, it can be different also. Here third part is median is always one of the numbers in data. It's written always word. So answer would be no. Median can be belong to the data, may or may not belong to the data. So at back it's written for true, but its answer is false. They have written because in NCERT of 7 they are taking only odd number of terms, but in general we take even number of terms also. For even number of terms it's a false. So generally we will write false. So do the correction. Instead the third part. Fourth part you will do yourself. Now I am explaining question number 2. Question number 2. Homework would be homework exercise 3.2. You will do question number 1, 4 in notebook, question 5 in book. Okay. Now see question number 2. We have the record of 11 players. So what we will write? Run records, runs scored. Scored by in a cricket match, by 11 players is equal to 6, 15, 120. But I don't know whose mic is not off. I am removing you. Ekad.
Mom, by mistake
I
it
don't know.
was.
No, why by mistake this happening? You are in the class. I don't know why happening this. You should be careful in the class. 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10, and 15. You can the total number 11. 11 are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. They ask to find its mean, mode, and median. Mean, mode, and median. First, we will find mean. What is the meaning of mean? Sum of observations. You can arrange the data in ascending order as well. For median, it is compulsory to arrange your data in ascending or descending order. But for mode and median, it is not compulsory, but you can arrange them. Data in ascending order. Data in ascending order. So first, I'm writing 6. You can mark which the term I have written. Then 8. Then 10 2 times. Then 15 also 2 times. 15. Then 50. Then 80.
Excuse
Then
me,
Ma'am,
100.
15 is 3 times.
ma'am, 15 is
Ma'am?
3 times.
15 is okay, 3 times. Then I'm writing again. 15, 15, then 50, then 80. So we will अभी जैसे मेरा मिस हो गया था, अगर मैं इसको काउंट करूंगी तो मुझे पता चल जाता, अगर देखो मैं 15 नहीं लिखती ना जस्ट तो आई विल काउंट, लास्ट में काउंट भी जरूर कर लो, 11 प्लेयर्स है ना, तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, it means something is missing. So it means 15 was missing, so I will search and I will write, it means something is missing. Now which term is maximum number of times? 15. Median, mode, 2 terms, 2 observation also can be the mode. So what is mean? First we are finding here mode. I think mean you should find yourself. Mode 15. Because reason also we will write it occurs most. It occurs most. Now we will find median. Median formula is n+1. हम ये नहीं करेंगे इधर छोड़ी उधर छोड़ी. No, we will not do like this. n+1/2 term. Here we will write complete observation. This OBS means observation. N means total 11 terms are there. 11 plus 1/2 observation. So 11 plus 1, 12. 12/2 gives you 6. So 6th observation is your median. What is 6th observation? Count from here. Or back also you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is your median. 15. What is our median? 15. Sometimes just because 10 is also 3 times. Then mode would be 15 and 10 both. So mode, 2 terms can be there, 3 terms can be there, anything can be there. Now we will find its mean. Mean means sum of observations divided by number of observations. So you will add all the terms. 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus.
Moment.
6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15, 50 plus 80 plus 100 plus 120 by 11. So we will add all these terms. So you will add, see, I'm just adding in rough. This is 100 plus, this is 80 plus 120 gives you 200, 200 plus 100, 300, 350, 350. Now this is 15, 15 3 times would be 45. It will be 395. 395. It is 20. 20 will be added to this. It gives you 415. 415 plus 14. It will give you 429. It means 429. 429 by 11. So when you will divide 429 by 11, 11 3s are 33, right? Now you will subtract it. It will be 9, 99. It's 11s are. No, now it will be 39. So they are asking all these three are same. All these three are same means they are asking all three means mode, median, and mean. All three are same. No, all three are not same. So no, all three are not same. One extra question I will tell you. I'm just writing here question number 3 also. You will this question number 2 we have done ourselves. So question number 1, question number 3, question number 4, 5 you will do yourself. Question number 5 I have already discussed. Now I will discuss one extra question that you have to do in your fair notebook. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, send it photo also.
Yes, ma'am, I saw the photos.
Ma'am, please send the photo also.
स्पीकिंग आप मेरी क्लास में नए हो, मैं साथ के साथ फोटोज नहीं भेजती हूँ. पहले ये काम नहीं लगूंगी, पहले क्लास में आप काम कर लो. At the end of that class, I will send you. Wait for a minute. Now I will discuss if the number of terms are even. Journal I am taking. One extra question I am taking now. This formula you will write as it is. See, I am taking extra. You can write marks in 8 students, marks of 8 students, marks of 8 students in maths test out of 20 are 8 student marks I am writing 15, 17, 9, 8, 9, 16, 20, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more I am writing. This is 8. Or we can write any other number also, 10. Right? Now I am just writing this marks in ascending order. Marks in ascending order. Marks in ascending order. First we will write 8. Then we will write 9 2 times. Then we will write 10. Then we will write 15. Then 16, 17, and 20. Now we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, median would be, we are finding median only. No effect, mode would be only 9. You can say. Here I am just repeating this question also. Here I am writing one more data. Place of 17. I am writing 16. Place of 17, I am writing 16. So what would be your mode? What would be 9 is 2 times, 16 is also 2 times. So 9 and 16 both occurs most. Both occurs most. Both occurs most. If each term same number of times occurs, then no mid mode would be there. Median. Median. Now what will be the median? 2 middle terms. If 3 I am leaving this side, 3 I am leaving times. It means I will take these 2 terms. Median would be for what I will use this formula. N by 2 is n by 2 plus 1. इधर आप सिर्फ इसके नीचे लिखोगे. By 2. N means what is n? 8 terms are there. So 8 by 2 observation plus 8 by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. 8 by 2 means 4th observation plus fifth observation divide by 2. What is fourth observation? 10 plus 15 by 2. It means 25 by 2. It would be 12.5. So this is your median. Now we have discussed about mode and median. Based on this, you will do your you will complete your exercise. I am observing if any try this is there, you will do. Try this homework. I am giving one more. So you write homework here also. I will just send in the group only, but the homework I am telling you. So you have to do it yourself in the book only. You have to do try this in the book only. Okay, students. Now take care, and I will send you the pics. Stay healthy, my dear students.